Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S22 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both of them. Then click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer on both devices. After that, select Open. From this screen here, you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. Now you can finally select Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. Then click on No Thanks in this ad, then close this window, and now you can finally tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one photo, for example this one, just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this password, over here, and then select Receive, but we can also just scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing Allow or Only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!